What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Tom Trips Out, and in this episode we're checking out the Kampot Night Market. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Well, hey everybody, come along with me. Take a trip to a place to find what I see. Make people live through, see the joy they bring, and how much it costs to try new things. Well, come and watch me on my trip out. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
So we're walking by it here. I think you can go in and around here. And it also goes all around the perimeter of it. But it's 9 in the morning and I need my breakfast and a coffee. And there's a very good place just across the street here. So let's head over there and have a Cambodian breakfast and a coffee, and then we'll go shopping. And the mission today in this market to see if we can find a backpack. And I'd like to pay $30,000, which is about $7.50. So if it can be that much or cheaper, it'll be a success. All right, let's get some food. So it's called The Place Coffee and Restaurant. Wow, thank you. Thank you. All right, so that was delicious. So that's the market. That's where we started the video. So we have to head across the street and go in there and see if we can find a backpack. Now I just paid for this with a 50,000 real bill, and the change I got back was 32,000. So that's $8. So that's my budget I want to work with to find a backpack that could fit within the 32,000. But you know, we'll see as we get it as low as we can. All right, let's head over. All right, I'm back over where we started the video. Kampot Night Market. On Google it says it's open from 8 a.m. So take a walk through and take a look at everything they're selling and say hello, and cosmetics and beauty stuff, and stuff for hair, eyelashes. So it looks like there's like a miniature amusement park in here for kids. There's a merry-go-round and boats that spin around. There's a few rides here. So far though, around these outer edges I haven't seen any backpacks, but you can go in to little alleyways too. So let's head down this. We have to go deeper in. This is like shoes, and there's toys here. It looks like dollar store toys. It's a little cafe. And they even have a spot to sit down at the cafe here. I guess parents can sit there while the kids go on all the rides. So this is the first sign of a backpack. That's not the type I'm looking for. Hello. So we just came from down there. Now we'll try down here. Seems to be a great place to find shoes or flip-flops or slides, things like that. There's a lot of stores selling shoes and footwear here. As well as there's a store here that has like t-shirts and sports jerseys. and they're probably much cheaper because it's at like the local market. There might not be real. It's a great place to come for that, but no backpacks so far. More clothing. Hello.
Hello.
And they have baby clothes and children's clothes too. Here's a place that has like phone accessories and like a phone holder or tripod or Bluetooth speakers. Little tiny electronic fan. And then hats and ties. But I guess we're getting a bit closer in our search for bags. And look at the branding on it. Adidas. Nike. Nikki. Nikki and Adidas. Original bags here. They look good, but I want ones with, you know, 2 shoulder straps and you can go on a hike and fill it up and there's pockets on the outside of it, and I need a backpack. Hello! Okay, I haven't found any real backpacks, but I'm gonna put the camera away and go look for real because I've been too focused on making the video. And then if I find a place that has it, I'll turn it back on and we'll try to see what price we can get and what options they have for bags. All right. Okay, I found one with bags. Got all kinds, some for kids. And here's some more normal ones here. Try to step back. It's very close quarters in here. Even those across over there look good. So I'm going back around to the other side over here. I like this one. It looks big, it's got many different pockets on it. I think I'm gonna ask about that. So that nice one that I wanted, she said it's $11, so I don't know, I gotta ask now if she'll take $8 for it. And if not, I might just take one of the first ones I was looking at was a bit smaller, and maybe if she says no to the $8, maybe I'll grab one that's that she'll agree to give me for $8. And if it's one that's a little bit smaller, maybe I'll let you know what happens. Okay, so for the really nice backpack, the lowest she would go is 10. I only had $8 worth of real, but she said, basically pointed to another row of backpacks and said, any of these ones here you can get for $8. And that's what I had, so I ended up getting this one that says Puma on it. And it looks pretty good, actually. I'll show you all the pockets. Hang on one second. It's got these clips and then another pocket there. It's got water bottle things on the side, 2 of them. And then one big main pocket. And then there's a secret pocket on the back. You can put things in here. It was lucky too when she pointed at the rack that was all $8. A lot of them looked really bad, or it said "Jump Air" like in big letters, like ones that looked really like a really not attractive print on it, or something that's really not cool. And then this Puma one just looks cool and normal, so I'm like lucky that one was there. It's the only one I would have taken. All right, the wind is whipping up. I'm going to end it off here. The mission was a success. We found the backpack. Now you know where to go if you need any flip-flops or backpacks or shirts or stuff like that. And that's going to do it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. And until next time, remember, how you spend your days is the way you spend your life. It's never too late to start tripping out.
My name's Tom. This is my trip out.